Welcome to damisaglobal TV, the ultimate source of all about internet skills. On this channel we partnering with brands to give reviews about products and services. We also share entertainment videos and more. I am reviewing an app called Crypto Bubbles for cryptocurrency traders. About this application is an interactive visualization tool for the cryptocurrency market. Crypto Bubbles is an interactive tool to visualize the cryptocurrency market. Each bubble represents a cryptocurrency and can easily illustrate different values such as weekly performance or market capitalization through its size, color and content. Highly customizable and easy to use, Crypto Bubbles helps you better understand the overwhelming cryptocurrency market. One features fully customizable interactive bubble chart for the 1,000 biggest cryptocurrencies. Visualize price, performance, market cap, trading volume and many more combinations. Click a bubble to get more detailed information about the cryptocurrency and its weekly chart. Add favorites to keep track of your portfolio. View every bubble directly on CoinMarketCap, Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, Gate.io or Coinbase with a single click. Extra list under the bubble chart to have a different overview of the performance or other values like volume, price or rank of every cryptocurrency. Create, edit and delete your own chart configurations. Realistic physics simulation of the bubbles. Live real-time updating of the underlying market values. Kindly get this app with the affiliate link attached to this video on this video description box. When you click on the link it will take you to Google Play Store or iOS users. Registering with the affiliate link we both earn a commission. Good luck with your crypto journey.